Afternoon, everybody. Coming to you today. These are Easter lilies, and I know that it's not Easter. I got these 4 years ago for my granddaughter. She was born. I got these little buggers for her. This is the time of year that they pop open. They show their beauty. I enjoy them. Kind of a marker. This one just come open today. Look at that one. No. My little granddaughter, she loves flowers. And she loves the color purple. These aren't complete purple, but they're pretty close. These are for you, Lillian. Grandpa loves you. Y'all have a great day. We'll see you around. Be safe out there. Bye.